Hello guys and welcome back to another amazing episode on NewYorkDashCam channel. Of course, you can only find all the craziest and most epic road moments caught on driver's dashcam. Today's episode is going to be dedicated to cops and road rage, so make sure to sit tight and enjoy in this one. Unfortunately for the driver, he thought that there was no cop here, so he hit the gas pedal to the metal, and that's something he is about to regret for sure. Because a cop was lurking at the side of the road, and he didn't hesitate one bit to switch his lights on and give chase to this crazy driver. Traffic lights are there for a reason, and of course the reason being is to help regulate the traffic safely. It's simple quite actually. Red means stop and green means go. If you don't know these, you're not supposed to be in traffic. A rude van driver ran a red light and he cut the camera off, taking his right of way. But a karma cop was right behind the van driver, and of course he reacted immediately. Whenever you think that using the shoulder of the road is a good idea, always make sure to think twice, because you can never know when an undercover cop might be on the road. Unfortunately for this crazy driver, a cop was just where he was supposed to be.
Mind, you can obviously listen to the voicemail and call them right back. Also, if you receive a call from a number and you know that you want to stop that number from being able to call you again in the future, simply do the following. Head to the phone app and tap on Recents. For the number that you'd like to block, tap the I or info button to the right of it. Scroll to the bottom of the page and choose Block This Caller. And just like that, your iPhone will stop that number from being able to call you again. Now, the way that most scams operate is that they change their phone numbers frequently, so this isn't going to protect you forever, but it will make it so that that particular number can't call you again, and you would simply repeat this for any new numbers that pop up.
Just because you drive a huge vehicle, like a semi-truck, that doesn't mean anything, and you don't have any special privileges on the road. Traffic laws are there for everyone, and they are to be the same.
And sixth. Pete, don't think I haven't seen you blowing. You take the other bridgeman. Taft, you take the scouts and...
distance.
Paladin looked around. Where is Taft? He was only just noticing. Could have more thought there, Captain, but he got distracted.
Jackass!
In the wind,
That's what you get, mother...
Julio was on pitching duty when they...
What is going on through the head of this crazy driver? He pulled out in the middle of the intersection, and instead of moving on, he stopped and blocked the entire lane of traffic. He was reversing, going forward, then reversing. Of course, a cop noticed it all, and he pulled him over for a brief check.
Shalon had never seen her respond to someone with the respect she gave Dalinar. Yasna, Dalinar said. Even if the Pact of the Heralds still holds, we can't know that they'd stay in damnation, or the mechanics for locking away the Voidbringers there. That said, first step, they must know much that can greatly assist us. I will leave it to you.
School bus driver thinks he's all that because he's transporting someone. That doesn't give him the right to act like he did in this situation, and of course, a cop immediately gave chase after he noticed what he did there. This crazy driver broke it all, you name it. He was tailgating, speeding, cutting others off, not using his indicators, and many more. Of course, a cop saw it all, and he made sure to pull him over. Boy oh boy, a ticket is about to be huge for someone now.
Oh shit! Oh, that cop's getting it. See ya. Hey boy.
And with this clip, we conclude yet another epic episode on Cught on DashCam channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching and picking up a thing or two from all the mistakes you saw. Of course, it will make us proudest if you leave a like after watching this episode, because that's the only thing that can help this channel grow. And while you're at it, please subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe guys, and stay safe.